Is it possible to export a recap project from Pinpoint? To do so, open the Pinpoint registration tool, open your project. You can select all scans, or you can decide just select a few of them, and then just easily hit the recap button on the right upper corner and save your project. We call it recap export here. I did this before, so I overwrite it. I will overwrite the file. And after the export is done, I can just go to my folder, just double click the recap project file. There we go. And then like usual, the recap project take a moment to load. And beside the point cloud, I also have the real view. And here the same thing, it takes a minute or a few seconds to load. And yeah, that's pretty much it is to export your data to recap format with Pinpoint or in Pinpoint. Thank you and see you the next time.